What is up, guys? Andrew with No Excuses TV here. It finally snowed in Arkansas. A decent amount this time. We rarely get it, right? So like 2 inches is a great snow, even though it's really not doing much. A lot of it, really the whole road shuts down. And so this is kind of just a quick video. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go out to Devil's Den State Park, hike around a little bit, just to enjoy the snow, take out the drone, get some nice drone aerial shots of all the snow. One, just to let y'all see what it's like when it snows in Arkansas, and two, a memory for me because this doesn't happen that often. Last year was like an outrageous year. We got like 10 inches or something like one time, and it got down to like -15 like it did all in the south. It was so crazy. And so anytime it snows, we have to take a lot of advantage of it. So we're gonna drive down there. I might even throw in some sledding footage when I take the kids out later, so you'll see that. So next time you'll see me, we'll be out on the trail. I don't plan on talking a ton, just like enjoying the view, enjoying the snow, and just getting like nice little